kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be your little lullaby, help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up, 'cause with you the future seems so bright. Won't you stay here by my side? It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So we're here at Green Hills. Boko.
Ganda mo ga?
Kami sa Philbars kasi meron titignan si Habi ng mga hot toys.
Ano ba ngayon?
Ganda ng camera ko.
Mas maganda.
Dito sa wide angle pa.
Mas maganda.
No, sa wide angle pa.
Ini-ignore mo ako ah. Kayari ako, kinibigan ka.
So, nasa multiverse si Jeff. Naghahanap siya ng hot toys. Hot toys. Multiverse.
And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine.
Yung Lashi na maliit. Pero ito, nakita ko yung phone stand. Mifi 849 to. Binigay na lang sa akin ng 650.
Mipi pa sa
Mifi.
Mipi.
Thank you.
Slowly lang, slowly. Very good. Good job.
So, ito yung milk tea ng R&B. Parang ano to ng Shakey's, sa sister company. Hindi masarap.
Wala dito.
Bakit sa Green Hills, no? Hindi parang ano, hindi siya friendly for mga PWD or yung may mga stroller. Kasi puro stairs ang meron dito. Wala yung parang, anong tawag doon, daddy? Yung walkathon, no? Lahat puro stairs, oh.
Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of
Sa
all
Anchor
the
daw.
stars that
Anchor.
none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it, even if at a
Bumili kami ng BLK. Anong tawag dito? Strawberry cheesecake.
Shish cake.
Cheesecake. Cheesecake.
One eternity later.
Kakauwi lang namin galing sa SM, sa Lazaro kasi 3-day sale. So, let's do a haul. So, first, bumili ako nito. Yung Kingston na bedsheet. Meron na siyang kasama na dalawang pillowcase. So, naka 20% off siya. $899, 20% off na to. Kumuha na ako ng dalawa. Isang ganyan ng color. Tapos isang ganito. Ayan, guys. Tapos bumili din ako nito. Yung Unilab na tape diaper. Kasi laging naglilik si Phoenix dun sa ano eh. Mami Poco. Ito na. Binilang ko lang siya ng ganito. Tatry lang namin. And then next, ayan, bumili ako ng Play-Doh. And bumili ako ng close-up. Kasi nga, dahil nga lahat ng ano dun sa SM Department Store is naka 10% or merong mga less pa. Tapos ito, kumuha ako ng glass straw. Dalawa na siya. Tapos meron pang panglinis at meron pang, anong tawag dito? Yung mismong container. Tapos bumili ako ng panty liner. Bumili din ako ng toothbrush kasi nga, ayun nga, lahat naka-less. Kaya, okay na din. Tapos bumili din ako nito, buy one take one keratin. Tapos bumili din ako ng Glutamax. Tapos ito, buy one take one yung Nivea na micellar water. Ayan. Tapos bumili rin ako nito, yung Gillette. And then bumili ako nitong Vitress na hair freshener. Ayan. And then bumili ako ng sunscreen. Ito guys is naka buy one take one. Ito siya, may free na ganito na paper bag. So ito yung free. Ayan. Buy one take one siya na sunscreen. Tapos meron siya libre na lip boost tinted sheer balm. Ayan. Cutlery set panghalo. Ayan, or pang ice cream. Tapos bumili din ako ng concealer. Kasi wala ng concealer. Tapos ito, bumili din ako ng kutsara. Bumili din ako nitong knickknacks. Buy 2, get 1. Ayan, knickknacks. So, dalawa. Bumili din ako nito. So, parang 49 pesos lang. Lagay ng sausawan. Color pink lahat. Bowl siya, guys. 59 din. Lahat ito nakaka-less 20% off. Ayan. Tapos ito. 99 pesos. Bumili ako ng pants. Ito siya. Para pang office. Tignan mo dati. Dating 1,399, 300 pesos nila.
Oh, oh, so.
Tapos Tapos bumili lang ako nito, blouse. Kasi wala na akong masyadong damit. So, bumili ako ng dalawa. Tapos binilang ko rin si Phoenix nito. Set na siya sa Moose Girl. Yan, 50% off din. Tapos bumili din ako ng Krispy Kreme kasi naka-promo si Krispy Kreme. 349 na lang to, daddy. Ayan, glaze. So, ayan siya. Hindi, nag-bucket na lang. Dahil chicken. So, that's it guys for my 3-day sale na haul. Buyers!
Distance, I'm still